Ako, bibigyan po namin kayo. Pasensya na po kayo ha, red wine lang yung pwede namin ibigay. Eh, kung gusto nyo ng red horse, mamaya pag-usapan natin after the event. Nakita ko, hindi masyadong umiinom sister, eh, bawal sa kanya, diba? Oo. Di ba, red wine naman, good for the heart, good for the health. Sir, any message for your in-laws?
Daddy, Mommy, thank you for loving me and believing me and also for your support to my family. And for your 15th anniversary, for this celebration, we have a toast for more blessings to come. Let's have a toast.
May we request everyone, please hold your glasses. We have rather glasses of purified water and glasses of soda. Hindi pa sa talaga purified water. Taas natin, cheers! Ganon. Sir Dino, maraming salamat ha. Ang daming kissing scene, Mami Jenny, no? Ang Daddy Ben. Okay. Eto na. Noon sila'y kinasal, 50 taon na ang nakakaraan, nagkaroon din sila ng first dance. Sa kanilang golden wedding anniversary, muli silang sasayaw. Paboritong awitin ba? Alam mo, meron silang paboritong awitin eh. Ma'am Vilma, na hindi pa sa'yo, nasabi pa sa'yo yung favorite song nila. Parang feeling ko, gusto nilang marinig din yan siguro later on. Kung na-coordinate ha, ni Sir Adrian yung favorite song. For the meantime, eto muna kung ano yung nandiyan na naka-ready.